Um, Unang-una, the presidency of 2022 was mine already. Nanalo na ako sa surveys, lahat ng tao solid na, united na for my candidacy. Pero I gave it away because I felt I had to do some other things other than being President of the Republic of the Philippines. Pangalawa, hindi ako yung nagsabi sa kanila na magbukas sila ng investigation or inquiry in aid of legislation that is more like a political persecution and harassment of OVP personnel. So, wag nila akong i-gaslight into saying na ako ang dahilan ng kaguluhan na ito. Ang kaguluhan na ito ay nagsimula sa sa terrorism nila, sa harassment nila, sa threats nila sa mga personnel ng Office of the Vice President.
Then why didn't she run? If she had it in the bag, she should have... Dapat tumakbo siya. You know, I mean, 2025 na eh. 20, di ba? Ngayon mo pa sasabihin yan. Di sana tumakbo siya. Tsaka yung presidency, kita naman nating lahat sa history, destiny yan. Eh, kung talagang para sa kanya yon, then dapat para sa kanya yon. Kasi di ba, I mean, what was that statement for? Then she should have filed to be president, to run for president, but she didn't. She filed to run for vice president, and now she's our vice president. So, that's what it is. Yun siya. Nagpapagod kami, nagpupuyat kami para silipin yung mga dokumento na yon, para isa-isahin. And ang dami naming nakikita. In fact, marami pa kaming nakita na hindi pa namin na itatanong. So, hindi siya terrorism on our part na we're terrorizing the OVP. Had they answered the questions from the very beginning, then sana tapos na sana yung mga hearings ngayon. Ang problema, they spent so much time not attending the hearings, and now that they are attending, di ba? So, kung sana nung umpisa pa lang, pumunta na sila, then sana tapos na, nasagot na sana nila. Yun lang.